Do you want to experience the ultimate revolution in healthy and delicious cooking? Say goodbye to traditional frying methods and hello to the incredible world of air fryers. In this video, we're thrilled to present our carefully curated list of the top 5 air fryers available on Amazon in 2023. Prepare to be amazed as we explore the innovative features, mouth-watering results, and unrivaled convenience these kitchen superheroes offer. So, let's dive right in and discover the culinary wonders that await. In number 5, we have Instant Pot Vortex Large Air Fryer Oven Combo. This air fryer features 4-in-1 functionality which allows you different cooks in the same device. Enjoy guilt-free flavor with the EvenCrisp technology that gives a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. It has spacious 6-quart basket for more storage. Get you roast ready in just 30 minutes. It has customizable programs for one-touch cooks for different types of foods. With the real-time display, you can monitor what is happening inside. It has little to no preheating time, so you can get your food from frozen to golden in minutes. It is non-stick and has dishwasher-friendly air fry basket and tray. It perfectly combines function and style in a countertop-friendly size with its compact design and stainless steel accents. In number 4, we have the Conclusi Pro 2 Air Fryer Oven Combo. With customizable cooking functions, you can customize and save the time and temperature of any preset. You can also add or remove a personal shake reminder to suit your preference. It features AdaptIQ technology which provides rapid 360 degrees air circulation that heats food quickly, providing crispy textures and even results, helping you make meals everyone will love. You can add or cancel the built-in shake reminder to suit your preference. There are 100 options in the recipe book. The square 5.8-quart baskets can fit a whole 5-pound chicken, perfect for family dinners. The removable, dishwasher-safe baskets and non-stick surfaces make cleaning simple and easy.
Just a quick reminder that 93% of you are not subscribed. If you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing and let's continue our video.
In number 3, here comes the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. It has a very wide temperature range 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit which allows you to gently remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp foods with convection heat. This fryer has a 4-quart ceramic-coated nonstick basket and the crisper plate fits 2 pounds of French fries. The unit will need time to preheat before coming up to temperature. You can create flat, chip-like dehydrated foods for fun. Homemade snacks pounds with the combination of low fan speed and low temperature enables thorough dehydration. Number 2 is the Instant Vortex Plus 10-quart Air Fryer. The 7-in-1 functionality allows you to air fry, broil, bake, roast, dehydrate, reheat, and rotisserie in one place. Similar to the first one I showed, it has EvenCrisp technology that drives airflow top-down for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. It is perfect for self-basting and tumble frying. It got 6 customizable programs for one-touch rotisserie-style chicken, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, and more. It also has a very small preheating time that enables you to fry instantly. It comes with included non-stick drip pan and 2 perforated cooking trays, as well as stainless steel rotisserie basket, rotisserie spit and forks, and lift tool. The best one in our list is the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL. Have 100% taste satisfaction with crispy on the outside and tender on the inside results, using little to no added oil, with up to 90% less fat. The Philips Premium Air Fryers are the only air fryers with fat removal technology that extracts and captures excess fat, more fat than other air fryer competitors. With a 3 pounds, 7 quarts capacity and no preheat needed, you can now make delicious meals 4x faster than an oven for the up to 6 people every day. All removable parts are dishwasher safe and the air fryer's QuickClean basket has a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. An included 1-year warranty helps maintain peace of mind. Unleash the full potential of your Philips air fryer to cook meals that are tastier and healthier by downloading the free Philips Kitchen app to discover hundreds of tasty recipes and explore features to strengthen your cooking skills and make homemade meals that you and your family love every day. And there you have it, our top 5 air fryers on Amazon in 2023. Each of these appliances brings something unique to the table, allowing you to elevate your cooking game and indulge in your favorite fried foods without the guilt. Whether you're a seasoned home chef or just starting your culinary journey, an air fryer is a must-have addition to your kitchen. So, whether you're seeking a compact model for everyday use or a larger capacity option for entertaining guests, there's an air fryer out there that will suit your needs. It might seem overwhelming with over 1,000 air fryer on the market. Hopefully, we helped you narrow it down to the best model for your needs. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want more information or if you want to know product price, check my description. For any further information, please comment below.